Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you are passionate about anthropology, interested in mastering key concepts, or preparing for the NTA NET exam, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will dive into solved questions from the June 2024 previous year question set for the NTA NET Anthropology exam. I will walk you through each questions, breaking down the answers with clear explanations to help you understand not just a correct response but the reason behind it. So grab your notes and let's get started on this journey to mastering anthropology together and break the internet anthropology this year. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Let's jump in. So in this first part one, we will solve 20 questions and the solutions. So let's move to the question part. So the first question is uh, list. Like we have to match the list of the Gufrakal, Daujali Harding, Pikli Hal, Sarai Naharai, shoulders with shoulder shells, pit dwelling, and burials. So it is like the sites and the uh, evidences we have to match. So we have to match the sites to the evidences. So what will be the answer? So the Gufrakal we know for pit dwelling in Kashmir, that is a Neolithic pit dwelling, important when you are uh, writing or reading all these things, listening, please do remember all these ages, that will be helpful for your exam point of view. So in which era? It's a like Neolithic era. Where it is Gufrakal? Gufrakal is in Kashmir. Okay. And what will be the next? So Daujali Harding. Daujali Harding is in Assam, the northeastern side. The northeastern side is also known for tools like shoulder cells. So this is in Assam. Next is Piklihal. The Piklihal, the cattle pen associated with animal domestication, particularly the cattle pens. So Piklihal will be cattle pen. And next is Sarai Naharai, the burials in the west-east orientation. We know Sarai Naharai about the west to east burials. Let's see what is this. So we'll see Sarai Nahar Rai. It's a Mesolithic site. So once we solve all these 20 questions, not only the right answers we will know the reasons behind it and also the research behind it. So we don't miss any questions or any answers, right? So here is Sarai Naharai. It's a Mesolithic sites in Uttar Pradesh. Let's always remember the site state from where it is or the place. So it is from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, let's go into some details of it. So Sarai Nahar are located in the banks of Pratapgarh district. It is in Pratapgarh district. So that's Sarai Nahar, okay. Discovered in 1968. The site yielded serious archaeological record and human skeletons. So the discovered site is the Sarai Nahar, discovered in the year 1968. Okay, and the radiometric dating, what we get from here, it is like date back to 10.3.345 plus minus 110 years. So the date of Sarai Naharai, what we get is 10,345 plus minus 110 years before the present, right? So we have unearthed many more artifacts like stone tools, ornaments, and beads made from shell and bone. Okay, so let's be more specific about the burial orientation. So it's the orientation. It was like west-east direction in shallow rectangular graves in an extended position along with the grave goods. So with the grave goods comes from the sites of Mahadaha, Damdama, and Sarainaharai, both in rock shelters and at open-air sites. The dead were buried with the habitation area. So Gangetic plan. Okay. So this is all information we get all from all four options. Okay. Next question will be again matching. List the type of archaeology with the exponents: ethnographic archaeology, experimental archaeology, environmental archaeology, settlement archaeology. So these questions are very trending now. If you want to have any of those correct, you have to know who is the proponent of those that specific discipline. What will be the answer for this? The answer is ethnographic archaeology is by Casey Chang. Experimental archaeology proponent is J.M. Coles, and environmental archaeology is proponent is K. Butzer, and excitement archaeology is like K. Rath. Sorry, there is a mistake of it. It should be settlement archaeology. Settlement archaeology by K. Rath. Going to the next question. Matching the edge to the cleaver, the tool type, and the technology. Okay, so this is very easy questions, but many times we fail to remember and get confused. So let's break it down to the granular level. So we'll have to match tool type to the technology, right? So as we know, edge, cleaver, coded, chopping, clactonian, soft hammer, grinding, block on block, these are all technologies and these are tool types. So let's go to the answer. What is that? So correct answer will be edge. It will be made on the technology of a set hammer. Okay, the soft hammer technique. Cleaver will be on block, celestial clactonian, the chordate will be catholian, and the chopping will be grinding. Next question: foraging as a mode of subsistence will till recently was associated with Baigas, Gadabas, Irulas, Kotas, and Kadars. So what will be the answer? The Baigas, Irulas, Kotas, and Kadars all had foraging as part of their traditional lifestyle. So when they were relied on gathering the wild plants, hunting, and other forest resources, right? So the answer will be A, C, D, and E only. Let's get to some details of the this populations, and it will be helpful for our exams also. So what Baigas, it's like traditional found in central India. The Baigas have been known for their connection to the forest and subsistence practices. Though they're primarily shifting cultivators today, they have historically supplemented their diet with wild plants and animals. Who is Gadavas? Primarily an agricultural tribe from Odisha, the Gadavas. Andhra Pradesh, Gadavas have historically, so Odisha and Andhra Pradesh in that belt. Let's have some bit details onto it. So as you see, the Gadavas are the tribal community in India for their peaceful and hospitable and gentle nature. The Gadava live in the eastern Ghat hill ranges of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. In Odisha, they are mostly found in the district of Koraput, Kalahandi, Sundargarh, Ganjam, Sambalpur, Mayurbhanj, and Fulbani. The Gadavas speak the Guto and Desia dialect of the Austroasiatic language family. Right? The Gadavas are known for their Dhemsa dance, which is performed by women wearing a sari called kering. They're also called have and also have a unique social cultural identity, include their dome-shaped circular houses called Chendidian. Okay, let's check what is Chendidian. It will be interesting. So you will never forget that. Okay, this is Chendidian. Sorry, this is Chendidian. So if you want to have more repositories or in to know about this tribes and all those cultures, to know about the details of it, you can download this from the SCST handbooks of 2009. Okay, from Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Let's go a little deeper to the Gadaba tribes. So Gadabas in Wikipedia is like 84,689 total population. So Gadabas have total population of 84,689 in total, and they are involved in slash and burn and plow cultivation still now. They are well known for the tribal dance the Dhemsha, and their two the speak dialect is a Guto and Olari, the Austroasiatic and Dravidian language. So they speak the Austroasiatic and Dravidian language. So Gadava's total population is 84,689 total population in Orissa, and in Andhra Pradesh it is 38,000 01 38,081 total population. So Dhemsa is their traditional dance. Okay, so let's go to our questions. Oh, sorry. So the Irulas. Irulas are an indigenous tribe from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. They are well known for their skills in foraging, especially snake catching, gathering forest produce, including roots, fruits, and honey. So there, Irulas. There we have some movies also who have promoted like the still share the story of the Irulas, and the Irulas are an indigenous tribe of Tamil Nadu, mostly and also found in Karnataka, also in the Ramnagara district in Karnataka. So they are also this semi-nomadic tribe, and now it's ST. And they are well known for their skills in foraging, especially snake catching and gathering forest produce, including roots and fruits and honey. And next, we'll go for to know about Kotas. Who is Kotas? The Kotas found in the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu and Kotagiri are more known for their agriculture and pottery. While they engage in some gathering of forest produce, they have not been traditionally known as a foraging tribe. So Kotas are not foraging tribe as they are well known for their agriculture and pottery. Okay. Next is Kadars. The Kadars are forest dwelling tribe from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. They are one of the few remaining tribes that still practice foraging as their primary subsistence method. They gather honey, roots, tubers, and other forest products. Okay. Let's see which is Kadars or Kadar. So the Kadars are the tribal community of indigenous community in India, scheduled tribe in the states of Tamil Nadu as well as Karnataka and Kerala. They are an aboriginal tribe whose traditional way of life has been based on hunting and gathering. So it's very important for rulers. Okay. They used to stay in the Annamalai Hills in the Western Ghat, but moved to the other location for over the years. So they have were denotified because they are nomadics in their lifestyle previously, and the specialist in collecting honey, wax, sago, arrowroot, cardamom, ginger, all those forest product. This is the Kadar heart and Kadar gal. This is the heart. Okay. So the next questions is like examples of the pastoral community. Who are the pastoral community? And the options are Bharwars, Bareks, Mahalis, Mandapattas, and Raikas. So we'll know about them. Uh, what is will be the answer? It's like the Bharwar community and the Raikas community. So Bharwar is also a denotified community, sorry, the nomadic community who is to come to in another place near Pune in Maharashtra, and Pune, Nasik, and very like that area of Maharashtra, and they will bring their cows as well as grazing the bovine animals, and they will cultivate the milk and they will sell the milk products to the areas around. Okay, see who are the Bharvas. Look, so member of Bharvar community from Dwarka, Gujarat, original traditional pagri. So they will come from Gujarat to this area, and they will like pastoral with their cows and all, and they will cultivate the milk products and they will sell around areas. So Gadaria, also known as Gadaria. According to the myth, so the goddess Parvati fashioned animals and four men from the sweat and bodily dirt from Shiva's meditation. With Shiva them give life. Samal was the rudest of the four, and he becomes the camel herder and progenitor of the Rabari camel herder. So that they went to the Rabaris, and they came to the Goalas, came to the Bharvas. Bharvas came to be claimed they used to live in Gokul with Krishna. So Varvars are said to have mixed Varna origins from